Welcome back. My name is Caitlin and today we are making delicious chicken marsala. This recipe makes 4 servings of chicken marsala. We're going to need 2 cups of sliced baby bella mushrooms. If you buy them whole like this and slice them yourself, you'll save some money and they're going to be even more fresh. Cut the mushrooms into thick slices. They're going to shrink down, so we want to make them nice and thick. Now we need some fresh oregano. Slide the leaves off the stems and chop. You could also use dried oregano if you want. We're also going to need 6 garlic cloves, chopped. Now we're going to grab our chicken. I have 4 chicken breasts here and we're going to begin by pounding them out. Flattening the chicken like this helps it to cook evenly. You can use a meat mallet, a pot, or a rolling pin. Basically anything with some weight to it. We want the chicken to have the same thickness throughout. Now let's season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. We're also going to need some flour. Add some salt and pepper to the flour. And we are going to lightly coat each side of the chicken breasts with the seasoned flour. Let's get a pan going over medium heat. Add some oil first, then let's drop our chicken in. Cook the chicken evenly on both sides until cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked, we're going to remove it and let it cool. Now we're going to begin the marsala sauce in the same pan. All of that beautiful color left on the bottom of the pan is flavor, so we want to use that and keep the same pan going. First, let's add some fresh oil and then our chopped garlic. Now add the sliced mushrooms and saute until color appears. Now we're going to add salt, pepper, and about a teaspoon of butter. Now turn the heat down and we're going to deglaze the pan with our marsala. We're going to pour in a cup of marsala wine. Cook until the marsala thickens into a syrup-like consistency. Here's where you can add chicken stock if you want to have some more sauce. Add another teaspoon of butter, and now our fresh oregano. Now let's add our chicken back in and spoon the sauce over. Plate your chicken marsala on its own, or you can add some pasta. Enjoy! And there you go, delicious and easy chicken marsala. I know you guys are going to love this recipe. It's perfect for dinner because it's so easy and so quick. It's fresh, it's healthy, and it's delicious. You guys are going to love this one. Don't forget to comment down below how yours comes out and smash that like button for that juicy B-roll. I love you guys and I will see you next time. Food check, smile check.
We didn't get much juicy B-roll.
Yeah, it's all juicy.
What was the actual making?
The thing is, your version of sucky B-roll is everybody's best B-roll.